To get like rid of this diplomacy, I'm going to call the most undiplomatic, the woman who says it as she sees it.
And we love
Malini Ramani in the house. Now we have Malini Ramani or Melodramani in the house. Let's get him first, okay? What is that one outfit that you went, oh my God, should have not left that fitting room?
What was that thing that fell off Carol?
The malfunction dress,
yeah, that one. I actually saw that dress before the fitting on the mannequin at that woman's stall. I forget the designer's name. And I thought, oh, disaster. Because I knew that was going to fall off.
Oh.
Because it looked very fragile and not, it didn't look like it was going to get perfectly well pinned.
Stitched.
But it wasn't stitched, it was more pinned actually. Yeah. So it's very easy for pins to come off.
Now we're going to play a little game where each of you are going to rate each other's work. Right? And you're going to be honest. You don't have to be mean or nor do you have to be polite.
I think this couch is very, very lucky because it has 3 very distinct designers with very, very, very specific, distinct looks about themselves.
Yeah.
I think Manish has kind of really defined the Bollywood feel, how it should be glamorous on and off the ramp. So I would say that, I'm not going to rate anything because it's hard for me to rate, but I would say he's very high on the scale of that. He understands how fabric moves in the wind. He understands how sheer chiffon should be. I don't get that. So I think he's brilliant at that.
So like when you've got a rain sequence, you don't know the thickness of the chiffon that will be acceptable.
Because, when
the details you have to get into?
At times, yes. I think with Malini, she's funky, she's funky, she's got a very specific look. She's got a specific look, she's very much, I think she brought out the resort design, if I might say, give her the credit.
I think
she kind of brought that whole sensibility to Indian fashion.